Yeah, take it all, ain't no way I can break it off. Girl, is you really down to pay the cost? Reverse the role that you can play the boss. Already know my vision is faded. I try to evade it.
What is up, guys? Today what we're doing is taking off my exhaust. Oh my gosh, Morgan's just chilling in the car watching YouTube. But today, if you guys follow with the channel, you guys know that my baffle inside my muffler snapped, so now it just kind of rattles. So you can pretty much, you can hear that. That's literally just from tapping it with my finger. Imagine the vibration from when the car started. It rattles a lot and it's really annoying. And even though you can't hear it from like outside the car or like the next car over, when you're driving the car you can hear it. So when I'm in the car driving it, I can hear it. It's really annoying. So today I'm fixing that. We're gonna take it to my school because I'm in a welding class, and my instructor said that I can bring it in. We can cut the muffler out of the catback part, and we're gonna look at it. We're gonna see if I can TIG weld it where it's supposed to be, because it snapped. It's just sitting in there. It's just like rattling, bouncing off the walls. So if it's fine and I can just TIG weld it back into the muffler, then we're just gonna fix it, TIG weld the muffler back on, and then put it back on the car. But if it's not fixable, I'm just gonna go buy just a piece of stainless steel and then just have it straight piped. So this video is gonna be like multiple different days, because today I'm just dropping it off at my school, and then another day I'm gonna cut it off, look into it, another day decide whether I wanna just keep the muffler on, fix it, or if I want to just buy another piece of stainless steel and straight pipe it. So today all we're doing is just taking it off and taking it to my school, and then probably 3 to 4 days later from today we'll go ahead and fix it. But yeah, I'm gonna slow you guys down and do a little time lapse of me taking it off. Alright guys, I got the cat back, well, not really cat back, the like resonator back part off. And these two hangers were such a bitch. It was so hard to get these off. Those two were fine. Those two slipped off pretty easily. It was these two were super hard to get off. So now, this guys can see how it rattles. So basically what we're planning on doing is cutting it here, cutting it right here, taking the muffler off, and then we're gonna see if we can TIG weld it back on. If we can't, then this piece will just be replaced with more piping. So I kind of want to get a cold start of no muffler. So I haven't started in like 2 weeks, so it's gonna be pretty loud. That is so like throaty. It's like so deep and throaty. I'm gonna let it warm up for a couple minutes just because it hasn't been on in a while. Then I'll rev it once or twice. So. Alright guys, I got everything put away. Got the car back down again. This is sitting here, so Morgan's gonna hold the camera and I'm gonna rev it a couple times. That was 2,000 RPM. Holy shit. So, wow, it's super loud, dude. Wow, I'm speechless. And I'm here, you rev it, because I don't know what it sounds like back here. I think it sounds way more deep and aggressive, but... Holy shit, that is loud. Holy fuck. Okay, just turn it off now. Wow. Wow, that was so loud. That, like, I can feel that in my chest. Dude, I miss driving this car. I've been driving my mom's old Explorer just because it's winter and my insurance was up right before winter, so I was like, I'm just gonna not drive it over the winter and save myself like $800. So this is like pretty much not part one, just because I'm not gonna make this a separate video. This is like the first part of this video. So next section is probably gonna be me in the welding shop, probably cutting this up, and I think I'm gonna straight pipe it because this piece, because this is the only part that's gone. The exhaust comes up to about right here, right where the tire is, and from here back is just this, and this makes it sound very raspy, which I don't like. So after hearing kind of what it's gonna sound like without a muffler, I think I'm just gonna buy like a 1 foot by 2.5 inch piece of stainless steel, just TIG weld it on and just put it back on. Should I go just full stainless steel like this, but polish so it's not gonna look like that, or should I actually keep this tip? Because I don't know how I feel about this tip. The tip is nice, but I don't know. So we'll see. So yeah, next clip you'll see is me at the welding shop cutting this up. Hey, what's up guys? It's about 3 days later from the last clip you guys saw, and right now I'm at my school, and me and my instructor are going to kind of go over where we need to cut the muffler off and where we're going to TIG weld the new piece of stainless steel on, and where we're gonna have to cut the new piece of stainless steel to put my tip on for the exhaust. So I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to film in there, just because I don't know, it's kind of weird that I would just be like vlogging in front of where my instructor is, my welding instructor. So I'm gonna try to get some footage in there of try to set up the tripod of me welding it. But if not, obviously right when I come out, I'll be able to show you guys the beads and then us installing it and see how it sounds. So, yep, see ya. Alright guys, so this is what we got here. This is obviously the catback exhaust, and then I'm gonna replace this piece with right here. So this weld will start right there, and then we will cut it right here, and then we will add the tip to it so that the muffler will be replaced with this piece right here. Alright guys, so as you can see, I just used the saw to cut the tip off of this side and the exhaust off of this side. So right now this is what it is. Cut this, cut this. Now basically I just have to cut this to this length and then it'll be perfect. So yep, that's just what I'm gonna do next. Alright guys, I got this all tack welded. I had to clean everything up, but on this side there is a lot of carbon buildup and it keeps getting the weld like dirty, even though I've sanded it down and put rubbing alcohol on it to clean it up. So I keep having to grind it back down and start welding again. And I've burnt through it a couple times, but I'm doing pretty good. I mean, I'm still learning how to TIG weld. I mean, I do know how to, but I just learned how to, so yeah. Hey, what is up, guys? I just got off of school. I don't have my tripod with me, so it might be like a lot closer than to my face than normal, or it just might look a little bit different in the angle. But I just got out of school and I got my exhaust. So, oh shit, this is it. All the TIG welds. They came out. Come on, focus. There we go. Looks good. And then got the tip welded on there too. So my car is here at my friend Nate's house. Alright guys, so I'm just putting on the bolts right now. Hopefully I don't have an exhaust leak or anything, because I had to peel off all the old RTV, but I'm gonna put new RTV on, but hopefully this works. Alright, so we haven't started this. It's been about a week, like a week exactly. So it's straight pipes. So yeah. I'm so cold, that's why I'm like, I have exhaust leak right here, and I have a major exhaust leak where the headers come down to the mid pipe. That's why I bought a mid pipe, because my old mid pipe is so rusted away that the flange where the mid pipe is, it's so corroded and just gone that I put so much JV weld there, and the JV weld cracks, falls off, more of the mid pipe just gets eaten away. So that's why I had to buy a new mid pipe, just so I'd have a seal right here. But I think it's a lot deeper and throatier. So, same issue. For some reason it's still to the left a little bit, but after I put the mid pipe on, I'm gonna like try to rearrange everything and just try to make it centered. But right now I'm gonna lower the car, put everything away, and then we'll do some reps. Dude, it doesn't have that yes. Hang on, just do 3,000. I just want to hear what it sounds like at 3,000. Fuck yes, dude. Fuck yes, because exactly at 3,000. It would just. Yes, no. At 3,000, it would go from like this deep tone to like Honda Civic Rasp. That's what happened exactly. Exactly at 3,000 RPMs. But now it doesn't do that. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy.
Ricer Rasp.
Dude. Listen to that, just. Oh my gosh, dude. And I have 2 exhaust leaks. Which I'm fixing, by the way, because I have the mid pipe, which I just said, but oh my gosh, it is so cold, and I just want to go inside. My hands, I can't even feel them. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I do a bunch of car stuff. Just look at my channel, subscribe, and like the video. All right, peace out, guys. Bye.
I played the game and I'm still the same, and I never changed just to get a deal, but I'm ballin'. I came from nothing to something like it's nothing.